How to delete repost on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete repost on TikTok, which means that whenever you're watching sometimes TikTok, let's say you watch a specific video and then you maybe just want to go ahead and then repost this video, you tap the share icon here and then you just go ahead and tap the repost option, as you would be able to find it. And once you repost this, other people who are on your following list will be able to see that you've shared a video. It's just like sharing it. One way that you can repost is by directly selecting this option over here, selecting the unrepost option. Otherwise, you can just tap on this option, select this option called remove repost. Otherwise, let's say you scroll through a lot of videos after that and now you don't find the video. What do you do to repost? To do that, tap the profile icon. Then just come to this little tab, which is the infinity loop icon, that is like the repost option. You'll find all the videos you've reposted. Select a specific video, tap the share icon, select remove repost, and then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then remove the repost. This way you can go ahead and then remove repost on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.